What's up, beautiful disasters? How are y'all doing?
What's up, beautiful disasters? How are y'all doing? I hope y'all are good. I hope y'all are fine. Well, as you can see here, or maybe you haven't even noticed, but I'm getting ready. You know what I mean? We're going to go out. We're going to do some things, do some girl time. But anyway, so last video said I wanted to try some things. And I wanted to do kind of like a versus, hint, hint. I don't know if you got my hint last video, but I wanted to do a versus with Dollar Tree's Glow Up Watermelon Extract line versus Glow Recipes Watermelon Extract line. Watermelon Glow Recipe, Glow Up, Be Pure, Dollar Tree. I'm just curious to see what's it about. I have to go out and I'm gonna do a side-by-side comparison, and it's gonna be whatever it is. I'm putting on makeup, so it doesn't really matter. But I'm curious to see what the glow is gonna be if I ever try to use it without makeup. So let's see what it is without makeup. I've used all of these. Okay, so these are my Glow recipes that I already had because I love Glow Recipe. If you're not familiar with Glow Recipe, I have a short. If I can find it, it'll be. So yeah. So if you want to see the glow that the Glow Recipe already gives me, then watch that. You're going to see it again on one side of my face, and the other side is going to be Dollar Tree. So let's see. All right. So let's start with the toner. We have the Glow Up Toner by Be Pure, Dollar Tree. It looks like this. And yes, I kind of shake things. I don't know. I want to make sure I get all the good stuff. Make sure nothing's falling to the bottom. Oh, yeah. Just going to put a couple. It smells like watermelon.
Now, I'm going to be honest with you. I liked the toner last night. If you watch my previous video, I actually like the toner a lot from Dollar Tree. Now, I just want to let you know that I have already put on my hyaluronic acid and some of my serums that I do. That is my routine for the morning. For my shirt.
So this is what the Dollar Tree is giving, just the toner alone. And I am very impressed with it. I am. Because it reminded me a lot of the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tight Toner, which is what I'm going to put on this side. Ooh, now this one is run down. Same amount of stickiness. The glow on this side is more than the glow on this side. It is what it is. Do you see this? And do you see that? Look. Look. I literally have a light over us right now. Do you see this? Look. Dollar Tree is giving more of a glow than Glow Recipe. Toner versus toner, Dollar Tree wins with me. Oh, and as far as the smell, watermelon, not too strong, but it's definitely there. Watermelon, way stronger. Now, if you want to look at the ingredients and what it does and, you know, all of those wonderful things, then please do. For the benefits, you might want to do Glow Recipe. But if you're just looking for a glow, just a glow, when you don't want to wear makeup, or even when you do, Dollar Tree, $1.25. Let's move on to the next thing. So the next thing that they had was a serum, a Glow Up serum, right there, Be Pure. So I said, oh, with watermelon extract and niacinamide. I said, okay, well, so boom. Then you got the Glow Recipe, Watermelon Glow, Niacinamide Dewdrop. So over here and over here. Let's see. Again, nice packaging. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Packaging is nice. And let me tell you, my hyaluronic acid and my ordinary products that I put on my face in the morning are actually playing very well with the Dollar Tree. I'm not bawling. So with Glow Recipe, the smell of the watermelon is there, but it's not too strong. As you can see, this is it's dewdrops. It's a serum. This time, Glow Recipe is more of a glow than the Dollar Tree. First impression. All right, so last thing that they had was a Glow Up Night Moisturizer. Okay, so they had a Glow Up Night Moisturizer. This is Dollar Tree. Very nice. And I am going to use the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer with Glow Recipe. All right, so Glow Recipe on this side. Okay. Okay, so it has settled and I'm looking at myself in the mirror and I'm like, it's not bad. They do look really similar. Here, let's take a closer look here. Let's do that. This is Dollar Tree. So let's make sure we have a good Dollar Tree moment. And this is Glow Recipe. Let's make sure we have a... Glow Recipe looks like it's a little flat, honey. Dollar Tree. Glow Recipe. Dollar Tree. Glow Recipe. Look, you decide. If you're looking for a little glow and you don't really care about the benefits or what's in it, then Dollar Tree all the way. Just to have some glowing skin. Maybe you're going to the beach. Maybe you're going out. You just want a little fresh, little glowy, nothing, no makeup, no. Dollar Tree, $1.25. All three of these, all day. I'm here for it. I'm here for it. If you're looking for something with benefits and it has the AHAs and the BHAs and all of the good stuff, then definitely do the Sephora. Do the Sephora. Okay? And get the Glow Recipe. These are the trial sizes. Go ahead and get you the big ones, girl. You ain't got to be like me and get the travel. You know, sometimes I do the little minis. I do the minis over here because I'm not sure if I like to do the minis before I commit to buy. Okay. So, I can commit to buy for $1.25 for these sizes though, all day. So yes, I will be using these again. Simply just for the glow, for when I want to just have natural, no makeup glow when I go outside. I'm going to do this whole setup again. If I want benefits of something, then I'll go with Glow Recipe. So I've let it sit for quite some time, and now I need to put on my SPF before I even start to do any type of makeup. Now I'm going to go ahead and put on my sunscreen, and hopefully I don't have any bawling.
So far, so good. No bawling.
All right, beautiful disasters. I'm back. All right, so I'm back, and even after my sunscreen, Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree all day. It played well with my sunscreen. It's giving me the glow that I need, and it's a lot more affordable for me. So now I am Dollar Tree. Now, don't y'all go selling these out. I need to be able to find these, okay? So I need to be able to find these, all right? Don't go. Do not go. These were hard to find. But when I run up on some more, I will be getting some more. But yeah, this all day. This all day. All right, beautiful disasters. I have to go ahead and get ready. I need to just do this video to put y'all onto some games. So if y'all see these at your Dollar Tree, go ahead and pick up some. I have I got things I gotta do. And I got a wig video. I gotta do my makeup real quick for a wig video because I gotta do the wig video before I even leave. And so, yeah, I'm rushed for time. I'm really pressed for time. Pressed for time. All right. So, until next time, which should be the next video, which is the one that's after me doing my makeup. All right. Bye.
Deactivating. I do not understand. Do you wish to delete? All systems down. Deactivating.